Our presentation topic is Smart University. A university campus represents the ideal place for the creation of a smart environment. The purpose of this presentation is to describe the Smart University concept, its advantages, functions, and possible architectures of the Smart University. According to data retrieved from Juniper Research, the number of IoT connected devices will have an increase of more than 285% from 13.4 billion at the end of 2015 to 38.5 billion in 2020. It is growing fast in consumer area, industrial area, and public services. That's why we think that smart university is actually something that will be accomplished in the future. The concept of smart university is defined like a small environment where sensor-enabled and network devices work continuously and collaboratively to make its inhabitants' lives more comfortable. As a general context, all university devices are connected to internet. And in each there are similar objects that can be converted into smart objects within the meaning of Internet of Things. For example, there are simple common objects like doors, windows, printers, projectors, and complex environments such as buildings, classrooms, or laboratories. All these objects can be converted into smart devices by attaching sensors, QR tags, RFIDs, BLE beacons, by giving a significant level of intelligence to allow operation of actuators and even decision making. The set of all these smart objects can transform a classical university into a smart university. So the advantages of having a smart university is that it's able to monitor population flow, traffic flow, and noise, temperature, humidity levels on campus to reduce electricity consumption and prevent accidents from happening.
Hello everyone, now I'm gonna talk about sensors and functions of your smart university. There are different types of sensors going to be used for a smart university system. For example, humidity sensors, noise sensors, temperature sensors, motion sensors, and barcode QR tags detection sensors. In terms of functions, there are endless possibilities of functions that can be implemented to a cloud-based smart university system. Some sample functions include smart parking, smart lighting, smart tracking, and smart inventory system. To better demonstrate the function of smart university, we actually assembled two 3D models for smart university buildings and classroom. For example, here. So. The first one is a sample university building, as you can see here. Please note all the yellow bubbles represent the smart sensor system that it's going to be located at. So let's start with parking lot. With a smart parking system, there will be a cloud-based sensor system to keep track of all the registered and unregistered vehicles. Combine this with ticket machine, it will automatically record all the requirement information for paid parking service. This is the street light of the smart university. It will connect to the current temperature, and as well as like date and school event data to automatically adjust the lighting. Smart sensors are also implemented around hallways from here. So this is to keep track of all the persons passing by to enhance the security system of university. It can be also used to track useful information such as student attendance. So smart sensors are also implemented inside and outside of the classroom. For example, this is the sample university classroom. As you can see, smart sensors are implemented on the windows to keep track of humidity levels, noise, and the temperature. Each school equipment, such as fire extinguisher, chairs, tables, has a unique QR tags, and their data are all stored in database for inventory tracking system. Video monitoring system are also implemented and automatically sends video streaming feeds to security guards if there's an emergency going on. Also, The smart blackboard can also present useful information to both professors and the students from school's cloud system.
So here's the cloud service. Data will be transmitted over the internet, wireless or on wire network, and to a local server or in a cloud. We're using boards like Arduino or Raspberry Pi to solve it in a database. Next, the data will be analyzed and to understand what happened now and what is likely to happen next. Mandatory must be a software interface that will be able to display the required data in the form of text or the graph in a web browser. Now, here comes to our conclusion. So because it's more and more smart objects connected to daily life in this land space, it's normal to grow new opportunities for the transforming conventional system in some smart objects. Obviously, any university campus cannot stand outside of this trade. And if we want to create more safety and more efficiency space in this environment, it will be good. Thank you, everyone.